Take appropriate safety precautions before beginning installation. Consider your surroundings and wear PPE if required. In some instances, you may need assistance when installing. You will require the following tools to prepare our infill panels ready for installation. The drop bars come in standard lengths and need to be cut down on site to suit. Ensure to measure the full width of the opening, including the frame. Mark the correct adjustment for precision and cut with appropriate tools. Be sure to smooth off sharp edges with a file, then insert the end caps provided. Mark approximately 50 centimeters down from the top of the door and 10 centimeters from either edge, and mark a point for the first fixing hole. Line the bracket up with the pen mark and using the self-tapping screws provided, screw the first fixing in, leaving a bit of play for adjustment if needed. You only need to drill through the inner skin of steel, just enough for the fixings to go through. Ensuring the bracket is the correct way up, using a spirit level, ensure the bracket is level and secure the bracket into place with the remaining fixings. For the bottom brackets, measure a similar distance up from the bottom of the door. You can also put a spot of silicone behind the bracket for extra adhesion and security. Your drop bar kit is now installed. Visit our website to explore our range of door accessories and hardware.